Okay guys, so welcome to my channel, and today I will show you how to change your furnace filter. So I recently bought this one. It's 16 by 25 times 1. This is the size. So but first we need to take out the old filter, which is right here. So we just pull it out. And as you can see, this is a really old one, so it is totally damaged. And we'll just insert a new one now.
Okay.
Make sure this side is up, and so we're gonna install it this way. So this thing faces your furnace. So all we have to do is just insert it and slide it slowly. And there you go. That's how you install your furnace filter. It's really easy, really quick, and yeah, that's how you can install it. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, and yeah, I'll upload more videos as soon as I can.